ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪಾಠ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಟ್ 6 ಪ್ರೋಸ್, ಡಿಗ್ನಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಲೇಬರ್. Once there lived a rich businessman. He had a lazy son. The father wanted his son to be hard-working and responsible. He wanted his son to realize the value of labor. One day, the father called his son and said, "Today, I want you to go out and earn something. Otherwise, you won't be given food tonight."